Hold on upon this. Call to advance. Get yourself some decent clothes. Ja. So I say, want a drink or something? Why would I drink some tea still, you know? Some hotter that good. Your kitchen on this side, you know. Anything you want in there. Matter of fact, if you look in our fridge, see a little bag with some lime leaf. That feel right now. Who goes? Hello? 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 Yo, who wants to play on my phone? Cause suck your mama. You disappoint me for the last time. Oh. So what I go on another? I'm gonna pressure you on that star. Cause I look away now. Do you know? Do you know I man sure say come like some homeless over some little idiot thing star. Just like a whole little thing come down by me at the same time right now. I never know what to do here. I never know when I'm gonna sleep tonight star. Big and serious. What you talk about, Bridget? See couch there? Yours? No worry about nothing, man. Everything good. My out, I can't live yourself careless at them time, you know. I come and throw you out and all them something, you know. That's how I live. Everything I say mine, you know. Nobody can throw me out of this. Only way them get me out is on a stretcher. Yeah. Oh, by the way, the next 3 months my studio done building a road, boy. So you don't know. You have to come in, come represent. What you say? Part2 studio? Yeah, man. Full digital, state-of-the-art HD. With the latest gadgets them to make your voice sound sweet. You see me? What? Don't build my career build back, man. What you talk about? I don't go that. You see right now, I cannot up with all like big rigs them. All like who is own a game. You see me? So that means that my thing I forget push. Yeah. I just one thing still don't matter. Them thing that I see if get me nervous road boy. Jano. I'm not trying to bring down the crosses by or nothing still. But them thing that I just be destruction star. Nothing good not come out tight. But I worry about them thing that road boy. Just focus on the music. That if I concentrate upon. Just know say as long as you're not from a clan, you're safe. You see me? For me thing ironclad. Yo, I have a song on my fear. It's like a little youth man for sign him. Oh yeah, say him tough. You go hear it for yourself.
Yeah, I'm son of yesterday. I'm producing. I'm producing himself too. Wicked now. Change instrumental play. Keyboard, guitar and drum. So you don't know smack locking. Yeah man, bad man. Reading my talk just I do something on it. Yeah man. Never say I kill it. Show them where it's done. You see me? Voilà. You hear that? Yeah man, yeah man. That's what's up. back.
She only knew him as a one son, a good son. The son will never ever let her down. And no
That's
one
a big
living
man.
in a
Come to
cemetery.
that too. I'm gonna try to funny chicks either.
Buckler, how you sing that? Why are there with them pussy while I out?
But boy, I'm not doing nothing, you know. I just pass me a pass through. Do me a big sir.
You're right, no, everything up to you, big man, you know. That's it. Nice safe now.
Yo, how all this for? A big mistake you're making a youth. Just calm down. I won't be safe. All can take one. See?
Beautiful. I'll take out the drugs, the briefcase, and the money, and bring them come put on the verse.
Anything you say, as you wish.
Left him and them family them wet up.